Okay, boys, we are going to some different place today. Too much of Chinese and other stuff. I'm getting bored now, so today we're gonna eat my food, which will be at the best place. We're gonna eat Dampuk Biryani at Nayab. Oh, this is foggy. I don't know why, it's the weather. There is Nayab Handi. I'll show you the food. We have to do 3 or 4 things today. First the food, then we are going to barber shop, and after that we are going to a thrift shop, Landa Bazaar. They call it thrift shop here. Also, we are on 50 frames per second today. It's 50 FPS, 1 over 100 shutter speed. Everything is auto. Rest is auto. So did I mention that I will tell you the negatives when I go to my place? Because there are 4 guys just sitting there. They're just looking at us, and they're not here to give us any menu or take orders. There, you have to actually call them back. Call them to you guys. Come here, please. Here's the menu, by the way. What I need is on the menu. I'll show you the best thing. The only
This is the
thing.
malay boti,
These
right?
are good also.
Malay boti, the chicken here.
Ah, yeah, that one.
So we'll not order na malay.
No, get that one and one of this and one whatever else you like. You like this? This, right?
It's the same naman. Ito na lang.
That's not the same. That's this. I'm looking for what page is that? The biryani. Ah, here. I just skipped it. This one. That's the only best thing. We have the food here. We have chicken karahi, the spicy one. Then we have dampok biryani, fresh roti, imli chutney, yes, and green raita with some water, and everything is fresh. But there are some negatives that I will talk about later. That's our favorite. Ah, how's that one? Which one's good? This or this? Okay, we are done there. And there are a couple of things that are, the style that shouldn't be happening here. But anyways, that is it. No, I'm not telling anything. You guys go experience by yourself. But the food, 10 out of 10. The biryani,
About the other
the curry is spicy, sour, and everything else. It's very good. We're gonna go in here. We'll buy some stuff. Look at this, oh, it's like an airport entrance. We're gonna buy a few things and then we'll go to the barber shop. Yo, it's time for this ice cream from this Japanese and Korean shop, and we'll walk to the. My barber boy he must be busy today because it's an off day. Oh, it's just there. Oh, we are near. Look at this place. A lot of space for cricket and football in Barsha. There is wind right now, but the wind is hot. There is some humidity. Yo, bro. The most attraction when you walk into a Pakistani restaurant is dedicated to her. There's no stick in this.
Oh, it's so... Oh, shit. Shot over my shirt.
Anxiety, you know me. Oh, what's that? Oh my god, what did you? Whoa. Look at this. Look at the situation over here. How did you put it all in your mouth all at once?
You know. Oy.
Mine is already gone, no?
Why did we eat now?
You said you wanna eat ice cream.
But it's...
And there's no stick on this.
There's a bit.
And why is like this half? It's a half chocolate. It melt down. Now the stick is covered.
Yeah.
Here's the stick coming out. I am sad about the part where I paid 8 dirhams for this and now I'm not able to eat it.
It's not the fault of the ice cream.
Where's my stick at? Look.
Tanga, maybe you open upside down.
You wanna see the other side? It's the same both sides, no? It melts inside, it melted, then they put it back in the. Hold this. Oh, Give me back.
Yuck.
That's how you switch sides on melted ice cream. There's my barber. भाई क्या हाल है? डस्टबिन कहाँ है? हाँ इधर कहीं पे भी नहीं है यार सॉरी यार We are here at a barber shop. Look at my barber, the handsome guy. I want to look like him, but he's not doing any justice to me. I don't know why. This is what I look like. I told him I want to look like him. Look at this. Shahrukh 2.0. उधर चेक करो मुर्शद बैठे ने सारे मौजा लगी हैं वो मुर्शद वापस आ गए It's been more than 2 years I'm coming here हाँ मैं क्या शाहरुख 2.0 ही है वो कह रहे इधर रख दो ताकि मेरी वीडियो बनती रहे So this is me before haircut, this is me after. Thank you Lala. Huh? He knows your language. All. Okay boys, ये है पीछे जगह. We'll just walk to UK, okay?
Yeah.
Huh? To walk there. Okay, so far the total is 60, 55 plus 40. 55 at the restaurant and 40 at the barber shop. I don't know why he charged me 40, but I don't have any here.
Took you 1 hour.
That's life. That's how it is supposed to be. We are going to the thrift shop. Your thrift shop? Ah, she's gonna buy stuff. Going to thrift shop to buy someone else's used stuff, and then we'll be like, oh, we are so smart. We save so much money, and we got stuck with the skin.
And buying the bag.
The skin infection is
Bags
nothing. Bags is not gonna touch the skin. No? Huh?
Shut up.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll be outside. Okay, I can't go in there. I did went in there, but this is the shop. You see the name up there? That's the shop. It has a different kind of fragrance inside that some people can bear, some cannot. For me, it's like staying in there for maybe more than 2 minutes, or it's heavy for me. But that's the shop. I think they have everything looking new, but I don't think everything is new here. Okay, she will explain. I thought everything was old, but she's saying
the
something
bags
else.
and the shoes are old models of a brand. They get it from a supplier or the mall. They said mall pull out. That's why the brand is crossed out.
But the clothes are used.
Yeah, but these are not. So they sell it the bags for less than 100, but it's new. But the name of the brand, they crossed it out. So you cannot resell it in the original price.
And
so you cannot
these are
sell
new
it
stuff.
in original
These are like
price.
new shoes.
Yeah, but outdated. Like last year's model.
Last year.
Yeah.
So new ones are still not.
These designs are not in the mall anymore because they have new season. These are old season bags and shoes.
Okay guys, I was wrong. Now you have the full details, so
But
you
the-
can go here.
But the clothes most likely it's used. It's when you donate.
Okay. Anyways, we are leaving. We'll take the taxi back home. Let's go this side. Roadside. Okay, so that's it for the day. We eat, we walk around, and then we go back home. Okay is not everything old. There are some new stuff as well.